to stay, honey, I want you to stay.
Welcome back to the vlogs, guys. It is Iceland vlog number 2, and we are coming at you from, I'm gonna mispronounce this, Stikkishholmer. We are now leaving our Airbnb, packing up the car, and then we are gonna make our way to Akureyri, and then stopping to see stuff on the way, of course. I'm super excited. My mom is actually sick, and she has been sick for the past 2 days, and it doesn't seem like she's getting better today, so I feel bad. Today we are going to check out some cliffs. We're going to mainly be driving all day, so let's go. Let's hit the road. This right here. I don't want to mispronounce it. Pretty cool. Very windy today, but glad to be here. We drove to the top of the cliff right here, and this is the view. Alright y'all, it's been a bit of a day. I wasn't able to vlog much. There was a bit of an emergency, but we are now at our Akureyri Airbnb. Here's the front door with an entryway situation. Here's the kitchen. It's very modern looking, but we have a bit of a dining situation. TV, there's a small patio, sofa bed. Here's the bedroom, and here's the bathroom. And this one has washer and dryer, which is amazing. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and I will see you tomorrow. small harbor town called Husavik, and we are at the GeoSea nature bath. This is our second little spa experience, and this happens to be the backdrop. Amazing mountains to look at as we soak. We saw an amazing waterfall this morning. We had some yummy fish that's local, and now we're about to head into the spa, and then we have one more waterfall and one more canyon. So lots to look forward to. I'm loving my time here in Iceland. I want to move here. I say that every time I travel somewhere, but genuinely this is one of the most beautiful places that I have ever been to. All right, change of plans. There was a storm last night, so the GeoSea nature bath is actually closed until 6. So we're gonna try to come back later in the evening, but right now we're gonna hit the canyon. We are now at a canyon that somebody recommended to us. It's normally a 3-hour hike. We don't have enough time to do the entire thing, unfortunately, but still a nice little stop. We just got back from the Dettifoss waterfall, and man, you can just feel God's eternal power when you're looking at it. Like, if that was just a waterfall, it was the largest waterfall in Europe. But man, that's just one waterfall in this entire world. Like, how much more powerful is our God? And I just couldn't help but tear up and just praise him, because we're just small little created beings, and he's our creator, and he is grandeur, and he's big, he's majestic, and yet he loves us and he wants to know us. I'll never understand it, and it just makes me want to tear up just thinking about it. But I just love God so much, and I'm so thankful to be here. And we even saw a rainbow, which is, if you don't know, a sign of God's promise in the Old Testament. So I just feel so blessed to be here. Also, if you don't know, Iceland is known for their wool. There's a bunch of wild sheep everywhere. So if you ever come to Iceland, definitely try to get your hands on a wool sweater. It's very warm, and it's also, you know, an Icelandic thing. So I got one that has cute little puffins all over it. I didn't really plan on shopping when I planned this trip to Iceland, because, you know, I'm here for the outdoors. I'm here for the nature. I'm here to experience God and encounter him through his creation. But that sweater is very cute, so I'll try to remember to get in a clip at some point. Yeah, I just feel so incredibly thankful, guys. I am speechless. I just stood there watching the waterfall and hearing the thunder of it, and just watching the mist like come up, and oh my goodness, Man, God is so good. If you don't know him, you gotta know him. He's amazing. We are back at GeoSea round 2. We're gonna attempt again, but the parking lot is full this time, so it should be open. And look at this beautiful view right there. The light is coming through the clouds and it looks so nice. Alright, we just got out of the spa. It was very, very nice. My whole body feels very relaxed. Compared to the Sky Lagoon, this definitely had less people. I think it's a little bit cheaper as well. So if you're in the area, I would definitely check this out. It was very nice still, but I think I personally preferred the Sky Lagoon. They just had more features. And the spa had a lot of naked people for some reason. You know, I just wasn't used to it. That's that. Anyways, it felt really nice. We have a couple more spas to go, so we'll see which one's my favorite. We have arrived at our Airbnb and it is a perfect little quaint cottage right by the river. She's perfect. We're gonna go in and I'll do a little tour. Alright, when you first get in, this is what you see. We've got first bedroom right here. And then you head over here. Here's the sofa bed. Nice little quaint dining table, TV. Here's the kitchen. Then here's the bathroom. There's a nice table. There's actually a whole hot tub. There's a grill, it looks like. There's my dad's. And right there is the river. Here's my sleeping situation tonight. Just want to see something crazy. This is the midnight sun. It is currently midnight and it's still light outside. So if you come to Iceland in the summer, you can expect this, and blackout blinds will be your friend. Thank you for watching Iceland vlog number 2. I am going to bed now, and if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe, give this video a like, and I will see you in my next Iceland vlog. I'm super excited for the rest of our trip, so keep an eye out. Toodles. Good night.